Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore state Route 22 insurance filings with the general, full guide step by step clearly. To restore state Route 22 insurance filings with the general, start by understanding what state Route 22 insurance is. State Route 22 is a certificate proving that you carry the minimum required auto insurance. Begin by gathering all necessary personal information. This includes your driver's license number, vehicle information, and proof of previous insurance. Next, contact the General's customer service department. You can reach them by phone or through their official website. Explain your situation and your need for State Route 22 reinstatement. The representative will guide you through the required steps and documentation. Prepare to discuss any lapses in coverage and any previous violations. Once you have all the information ready, request a quote for your State Route 22 insurance. Compare the quote with your budget and ensure it meets your needs. After you accept the quote, the General will initiate the State Route 22 filing. They will electronically submit the State Route 22 certificate to the Department of Motor Vehicles. Make sure to confirm with the General that the filing was completed successfully. Keep a copy of your State Route 22 certificate for your records. It's important to maintain your insurance policy for the required duration. Failure to keep the State Route 22 in effect can lead to reinstatement issues. Monitor your insurance status regularly to ensure continuous coverage. If you have any questions during this process, don't hesitate to reach out to the General for assistance. Remember to stay informed about the laws in your state regarding State Route 22 requirements. This ensures compliance and helps avoid future complications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.